Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people, we want to congratulate Mercy Johnson for our newborn baby. So I really happy for you, Mercy Johnson. It's not easy to bring another new baby come this world. It's not really easy. So many people that they look for, they don't see. So I really happy for you. I really happy for you. So that's why I can congratulate her today. So what it make me come even say I want really like talk about Mercy Johnson today now because of waiting people they talk. When she get belle, that they say, why she go get belle again? Why Mercy Johnson go get belle again? I can't say, I don't understand. Why people go like to drink Panadol for another person headache? Me, I don't understand. She been a God, now give her this speaking. And another thing again, she did husband ass. A husband don't they complain. Not be a husband they give her the belle, and the belle they come. Me, I don't understand though. Some people they look for, they not see. Oh, see, people go complain. Anything we person do for this one, people must talk. Me, I don't understand. Okay, now because I said celebrity now, so you not get right to one born drink pikin and be me, I don't understand though. She did husband ass. I don't understand. As far as they get money, they will take care of the pikin. I don't want to take concern now. Even though they don't even get, you don't concern anybody. Who want born 100 make it born? Who want born 20 make it born? Who want born 5 make it born? I don't know why some people go just they carry waiting on consign them, they'll carry a put for head. When I leave her, she did husband ass. Even though say she collect the husband for somebody now the husband that it can be. So make they leave her. When they leave her, make she born. She get right to born 100. She get right to born 50. You don't concern anybody. As far as say God they give her, make it the 12. Make it a those ones they don't get problem. Now we the European now we even they add. We be say you only you are on your own. You with your husband. Nigeria you see as get full everywhere. You see mother-in-law, see sister, see everybody they'll come help you. But for here nobody. Now make it we be say person they careful. So even they born men is safe. But for Nigeria, I live there. When they born. They feel born 100 safe. You not concern anybody. Really, you not concern anybody. If say we look at me. I don't know why people they talk. They say why she go they born now. Supposing why that they are picking. I don't know how many years that picking would not reach 10 years now. And never see senior. You don't say the woman not like to born Jenna. He like to born Jenna. So I believe say now God never give them. They never see. Now he make you say the belly no green come. Now he cause her. You don't say maybe she not like to. She for not even born past Mercy Johnson self. So I believe say now picking I not come for a while. Now make you say that belly now, it never come. The other day said they can't even tell the woman say you they do slay queen, you they slay, they drive for them. You not going to born dread picking. Anyway, I have to come out say now God, now they give picking. So I believe say God never give them. Now make they never see born. Not be say that the wife be not like make it born journal. He like make it born journal. They come to talk again say now so his wife. They use the bleaching cream. They do this. Now the woman say no use any bleaching cream. The man can say come out again. Now even get away till they explain. You can say they explain. They say now so wife you know they bleach. See a picture when the day young. See a picture now. She know they bleach all those things. Now say what it concern now if he even bleach safe. Other one table na business. People talk too much. People talk too much really. I'm not concerned on again. If you like, make it use all the bleaching cream with this world. Now you know. Now they no more they remove man for people for waiting for people matter. What they concern on now? People, if you do well, people must talk. If you don't do well, people must talk. I don't understand. Wanna leave them. I believe that God never give them picky. If God give them, they go born. As God they give Mercy Johnson, I make it the 12 they make it just the bonbon. What it mean like the way Mercy Johnson you're doing you just the rush all the picky once. So that if you can't rest, not be the one will go born one, they will come they do slay queen they'll go they take all those medicine so that made them not fat. All those medicines they get side effects. More than take them easy. See our chat channel. That one, Nana, at least now 3, that one don't born now. That one I want just dry itself like say tomorrow no day. So say this cleanliness self can't even pass Joromi. She can't be like who carry gonorrhea. According to her, I say not carry anything. No, you see that she just wants clean down like that. Say like to clean. Then people call the tell and say you don't too clean. Your cleanness does it too much. Shasha will love you the way you be before. The way you fair be, where your shape, that your fine shape for back before, everybody will just love her. But now when you just can't turn yourself to waiting me not can understand though. Me I don't know. Cha. I beg. The way you fair be nine better pass. The way you can't taste clean now, it pass Joromi. Really. It pass Joromi. So now what I say make I can't talk. We can congratulate our sister Mercy Johnson, our brother now is still married. So maybe we congratulate her, you know, easy. And her mom and leave her. If you like, make it born 10, make it born 100. Now I'm not gonna consign anybody again. After all, any don't fair go marriage. You go marriage, you're not born for day. Now fight a big quarrel, then take about for day. You're not born. For how many years will they take marry? If you see, you know, this is for not born past Mercy Johnson. For born past her. But any I do not see. That make it suffer. See suffer. Carry the one way be say it's suffer come up now they do slay queen they go. So is that where God go take bless him with husband, you can't bless him. The other one, the first thing go husband as Chika Ike. That one too, you not still born. That one too not still born for your own too. Now so that one still come out for your own marriage. Mona Lisa, that one too first still marry. Two. He born only one for there. The man not come there. According to her, he said na so beat. You say they are not the finish for beating. That one said na so beat. Now make him come out for your own. Chika Ike, that one said na see beating. Then I beat it. Our sister Stephanie Okereke, that time when I remember now when that one first married one footballer, he not still born for there. According to why it's not because he not born for the man. Before you come marry that our Edo brother, no, that one does still born now. You know, instead when she for still queen Russian now born join that one, they do slay queen for there. Later now they'll come they look for those they don't see you, they don't see Pekino because they don't too delay. One advice I want to give women. If you know, say, you dey look for pikin for years, you don't see. You can finally see, my dear. No wait. As you dey born that one, no just give a gap. If that pikin dey 6 months or 8 months, quick carry belle journal. Because if you don't carry belle journal, you can't wait. May reach 2 years, may reach 3 years. Now they come they delay. We say the belle no come still come again. That be one and no understand. If you want a woman that time, the woman dey look for pikin for years. In not see if you not see the way this woman take rush when God can't bless her, I say it take fast they rush him because if you give her time to come again, you can't take time. The way that one affected do you can't take time before the second one will come again. But if God just they bless you, you just get him. I beg you rush him, me just keep on. Because women will be say they add them to get belly. They're not supposed to delay. You're not supposed to give them time. Because if you give them time, it go hard before another belly will come again. That be one thing. So Stephanie Okereke, you know you first go marriage as you know the way it be. I don't know why you can't waste what you they wait for. Why you can't waste time like that. They don't they waste time for belly matter. They don't they waste time. As it just come as it they hot. Rush and fast, grab them. If you can't waste time, my dear, it go hard. It will come hard before another one will come again. Don't be lie, oh, that's the truth now they talk, oh. If you not like, you not take, oh. If you not like, you not take. That one I just advice. Maybe I still do this AY wife. Now we be say, you know, Greek carry belle no Greek come. Because he wastes time. As he get that belly, as that pikin come, he's supposed to just as that the pikin just dey like 8 months. For AY wife now we be say to come born another one join pikin and I come dey hard because he give her time. when he born that pikin, instead if a quick just rush am born join am, but he can't give am time, you know, come quick do am. Maybe na cause always say pikin now 10 years, pikin no gree come. So when I live who born, who they see, make they born. You don't want to concern anybody again. When I live Mr. Johnson, make he enjoy marriage, make they born. If you like born 100, you don't concern anybody. You understand? So wife, God go see bless her, God go do am. She go see born join that pikin. Because I believe say she no see, then make she never born join her. So more will not they give her time again. So that advice when I give una just now, where our women, if you know say they look for pikin for years. If God give you a beg, rush am just quick born journal, because if you give am time, you go come take time before another one go come again. You understand? So as they ought, just they rush am like that. If na tell you just quickly just rush born like that. And na so some women they do am hair. So if you see say you just quick rush am like that, you don't feel born till you beg. If you want rest, if you rest that time, and not say you come born one, you come for the way if reach 2 years, 3 years before another one will come. They add, my dear people, really they add. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember una sister, una friend, una anything. Thank you. Bye everybody. Bye. And share this video for me. Always give my video a thumbs up. Always, please. Thank you and bye.